Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll be sharing with you home remedy to stop your armpits from smelling. If you have body odor and you have smelly armpits and you've been looking for a way to stop it, okay? Please watch this video to the end as I share with you and I show you the key ingredients that can help stop the smell. Before I show you the key ingredient, I just want to explain to you why you have that body odor or that smelly armpit. Okay, what causes it is excessive sweat. Some people tend to sweat more than others, and that condition is known as hyperhidrosis. Smelly armpits or body odor occur when bacteria break down the odorless sweat on your skin. At times, taking your bath regularly or using your deodorant or antiperspirant doesn't stop it. A lot of you might be frustrated that you've tried a lot of things. You've tried taking your bath regularly. You've tried using your deodorant or antiperspirant or your perfume just to smell nice, but it's not working. That's where this comes in, okay? This is it. Please like this video if you haven't done that yet. This is lime and not lemon, okay? If you're getting it, get a lime and not a lemon, okay? Lime has a lot of health benefits. The lime juice works as an antibacterial, okay? It will go and break down those bacteria once it is formed on your skin. Yes, lime juice are very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that can help boost your immunity and can help promote healthy skin. Lime also contains citric acid, which can help brighten your dark areas, okay? The dark areas on your skin, okay? If you apply lime around that areas, lime can actually help brighten it up in no time because of its exfoliating properties. This is how to use the lime. You slice it into two halves. You can squeeze out the lemon juice and apply around your armpit. You don't need to wash off. You have to allow it to dry down a little. Use your antiperspirant or your deodorant on it, and then you can go. You can go about your daily routine, okay? You don't need to wash it off, okay? My nieces actually, they don't wash it off. When they were making use of it, they did not wash it off. This is how they applied it. They apply their deodorant on it or their antiperspirant. They wear their clothes and move and go. Okay, you don't need to wash it off because it will not irritate your skin. It did not irritate their skin. I know that skin differs actually. Yes, we all have different skin types. Okay, if you know that you're the type that maybe some certain things irritate your skin, you know that your skin gets irritated so easily and so quickly, leave it there for like 30 minutes and then wash it off, then you apply your deodorant. But if you know that your skin does not irritate you, in order to get a fast result, do not wash it off. You leave it like that, leave it there, and then apply your deodorant on top of it, and then that is it. You can do this 3 times in a week. Yes, you just have to do it for complete 3 to 4 months in order to get the perfect result. Yes, guys, yes, this is it. This remedy can actually help your kids who are going through adolescent stage, okay? Because you know, as kids grow, as they get to that adolescent stage, their body starts to produce the smell. It doesn't mean that maybe they don't take their bath very well or maybe they don't scrub the necessary places very well. That's not what it means. It's just that their body is working overtime because they are still trying to grow. They are going through that puberty stage. Okay, it's just puberty. You still have to fight that smell so that it doesn't linger in their skin, it doesn't become a body odor. Whenever you notice any smell, be it on your skin or on your children's skin, try to fight it immediately. Don't just leave it there. It will eventually progress to become a body odor. I'm speaking out of experience, okay? I live with my adolescent niece. Yeah, she's 16 years old and she has been using it. Okay, not just her elder sisters as well, the edges of it. Okay, it was my elder sister who introduced that, their mom actually. She introduced that and they started making use of it. They started making use of it. And before you know it, the smell vanished. It vanished just like that. So I just want to share it with you guys so that you will get to try it out, and I hope it helps you. Okay, if you actually made use of this remedy and it worked for you, please drop a comment here and tell me how good this remedy is. Okay, and if you haven't tried it, drop a comment and tell me if you're actually going to try it. Okay, thank you guys for watching to this point. I really appreciate you sticking with me up to this point. Thank you very much. Please like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.